On August 24, 2023, at Glenbard North High School in Carroll Stream, Illinois, 18-year-old student Zachary Kurzeja allegedly made a threatening comment regarding the school principal. He reportedly told another individual, "Hey man, if you heard someone shot at the principal in the head, don't look at me."
You were overheard saying something about you're going to go shoot the principal.
No, I didn't say I was going to shoot the principal. No, I did not say that. I did not say that, sir. I did not say I was going to shoot the principal. I have no weapon on me.
Okay.
I do not own a gun.
Okay.
So I don't know who said I was going to shoot the principal. I'm not old enough to own a gun.
I just want to make sure I understand. You're trying to get re-enrolled, right?
I'm not re-enrolled. Look, this is what happened.
Okay.
I came 3 times before the school started.
Right.
Before the school year started. Other students, I'm not even going to do all that extra talking. Twice during the school. Okay. Twice during the school year.
Okay.
And then, so 5 times I came, they told me I was going to be a student.
Okay.
And have a schedule. Then yesterday they called my mom, said I have to do this off campus, whatever. I'm telling the exact same thing I told you.
When you came back, dog, when you came back, what happened?
When I came back, when I had my shirt off.
Okay.
When are you talking about? When I first came to school, when I came back when I came to put my shirt down,
okay,
and I wanted to speak my mind again.
All right.
Which time? Which time are we talking about?
Yeah, when you came back.
What I said. Can I have a good?
What did you say?
The principal walked out of school.
Yeah.
I asked him, are you the principal? He said yes.
Yeah, but prior to the principal coming back.
Oh, prior to the principal?
Yeah.
When I first talked to him, before this whole situation started, when I came to school eager to learn.
Okay.
What did the principal tell me? That will be a student at Glenbard North High School. The principal told me. The principal told me.
Okay, you didn't make any kind of statements at all, man?
Him?
No, about
no
the
offensive
principal.
statements? Me?
Yeah.
No, I didn't make nothing.
What did you say?
I told him the same thing I told you. I'm telling him everything I told you.
Okay, do me a favor, man. You're not under arrest at this point. Relax.
Okay,
you got
do
any
what you
weapons
gotta
on
do.
you,
I
man?
don't got nothing on me. I got
any weapons?
No, I got nothing on me.
Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
I got nothing on me.
So possible you could have said something that could have been misconstrued.
I didn't say anything to him. What are you saying that I said to him?
No, you didn't say anything to him, but what did you say about him?
Nothing.
Like, you weren't threatening him or anything like that?
I did not threaten him, no sir. What are you talking about? I did not threaten him. I was telling him my part of the story.
No, before the principal came out, Zach.
I didn't say anything about the principal.
You were overheard saying something about you're going to go shoot the principal.
No, I didn't say I was going to shoot the
Hey,
principal. No, I did not say that. I did not say that, sir. I did not say I was going to shoot the principal. I have no weapon on me.
Okay.
I do not own a gun.
Okay.
So I don't know who said I was going to shoot the principal. I'm not old enough to own a gun. So whatever you want to tell me,
Okay, hold on. Hey.
you told me I'm not under arrest because
You're not under arrest.
I told you I'm not.
But you're not
Irritated, so we're just gonna put you in for a second. Just for a second, all right?
I told you I didn't do nothing. I didn't say nothing to him. I've advocated for myself. I came here to advocate for myself. Can you?
Okay. What's your first name?
My name is Zachary.
Zach.
Where are you at? Close to the school. I walked here. Easy. I have nothing but my phone and my shirt over there.
Okay.
I came back. Can you please walk and get my phone and my shirt over there? It's right over there. Right over there by the
field?
By the dugout by the softball pit to the left.
Zach,
Yep.
relax.
I didn't say nothing to the principal or about the principal. Because that is crazy. You heard me. I was trying to advocate my part the whole time.
Okay.
It's crazy. Okay. They're trying to put words in my mouth. I watched the cameras and the audio.
We're talking to you. We're talking to them.
Because that is crazy. I came here to advocate my part. I don't have no gun. I didn't say nothing about no shooting a principal. That is crazy. I came.
Let's take a deep breath, man. Let's take a deep breath. Why don't we take a seat?
I'm good.
Just for a sec.
I feel like.
Is it C-A-C-H-A-R-Y?
Yes, it's C-A-C-H-A-R-Y.
What's your last name, Zach?
Be disrespectful. I'm trying to talk to you.
I understand.
I'm just wound up. I'm trying to talk to you like a man. I'm sorry. I'm talking to you like a man. I can't. I'll tell you the same thing I told all these other officers. I came 3 times before school started. Twice during the school year. They told me, you're getting your schedule. You'll be a student at Glenbard North High School. I did not threaten this man. I came here aggravated. I did not threaten him. I said, that is insane that you guys lied to me and played in my face like that. I did not say nothing about shooting him. Nothing about that. I don't know why you guys brought a gun involved. That is so insane.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got what's your phone number?
I don't got a phone.
You just said he had a...
It's got an email. I don't got a number on it. I don't service on it.
Zach, I thought you moved down to Florida or something.
I
Weren't
did.
you
How
staying
you
with
know?
Dad?
How you know I moved down to Florida? I just moved back.
Man, me and you go way back.
I'm telling you, okay, if we go way back, would I threaten to shoot this principal? To be honest, if we go way back,
I
would
don't
threaten
know,
to
man.
shoot this principal? I would not.
All right.
If you know me, we go way back, would I threaten to shoot this principal?
So when did you move back? How recently?
2 months ago.
2
Before
months
school
ago?
started, I was ready. Remember how if you know me, you know I played Carroll Stream Panther football.
Yeah.
You know I played Carroll Stream Panther football. I wanted to come to this high school. I was excited.
You were down there with Dad, right?
I was with my dad.
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't do nothing to.
So you're trying to, I just want to make sure I understand. You're trying to get re-enrolled, right?
I didn't do nothing to.
So you're trying to, I just want to make sure I understand. You're trying to get re-enrolled, right? How
I'm
old?
not re-enrolled to any. Look, this is what happened.
Okay.
I came 3 times before the school started.
Right.
Before the school year started. Other students, I'm not even gonna do all that extra talking. Twice during the school. Okay. Twice during the school year.
Okay.
And then, so 5 times I came, they told me I was going to be a student.
Okay.
And have a schedule. Then yesterday they called me. They called my mom. Said I have to do this off-campus whatever.
Okay.
And, off-campus learning, whatever. I came here, I said, it's crazy, you guys lied to me, whatever. All I did is I came here, I told them the exact same thing I told you guys. I came here, I did everything I was supposed to, brought you what I was supposed
And
to.
you're just trying to get rid of
And then they said, I said what I had to say, they didn't say anything about it, and then they finally said, okay, you're not a student here, blah, blah, blah. And they pushed, they said, you're not a student, and I said, okay, I just did that with my hand, walked out the door. I walked over there, put my phone down, I said, okay, I want to speak my part. I feel like maybe I came mad. And I walked here without my shirt. I said, they're probably gonna think I'm gonna talk crazy, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm coming to speak my part. I came here. Find the officer that was first here when I came out. Find the officer that was first here when I came out. I was calm from the get-go. They all talked to me. I was calm from the get-go. I did not say nothing.
Aerial on local.
And I'm gonna ask for this. I'm gonna ask for this footage too if I get arrested. I'm gonna ask for this footage so y'all can. I'm gonna ask for everything because I did nothing wrong. I can't.
IBAR on local.
Y'all got me looking crazy out here with the road. All the cars past me. When I think I sprinted, I never did. I came to speak my part about how they played in my face and I was aggravated about them not letting me to school after.
What's
they told me 5 times, 5 different times. Take me there. Yeah, I just been talking. I don't care what time you take in my house, man. I'm 18 years old. They told me 5 times to come to Glenbard North High School, and then yesterday they didn't tell me anything. They said, oh, you can go find the school. Find any school. Things I don't talk about. Things I not talk about. I'm not on. Look.
Charlie 65 on local.
I have a juvenile record. I'm not on any juvenile probation. I'm an adult. I'm not on any adult probation. That's all I gotta say. That's why they're not letting me to school. But I'll tell you.
Hey, Ariel, I didn't copy because he's still yelling out here. We good on the 03?
I worked hard to try to come to this school, and then they told me I can't. That's why I came aggravated.
Time for.
I never dealt with you. I don't know who you are. And that guy, whatever police officer said he knows me. If he really knows me, he would go way back.
41 mark the mail in custody. You want to transport? Huh? Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna grab his shit from the dugout as soon as we put him in your car.
My first name is Zachary. I've told you guys, Z-A-C-H-R-Y, Zachary.
Zachary,
Everybody.
come with me.
Come on. What's going on? Am I good?
We're going back to the station to have a conversation.
Shit, you arrested me?
Yep.
Can you get my phone over there?
Yep, I'll grab it. You said it's in the dugout, right?
No, it's like to the left of the dugout. You're arresting me for real. What's my charge?
I don't know. I'm not the arresting officer.
Well, tell me who the arresting officer is.
He's gonna come talk to you.
Well, put me in here, wherever you're gonna put me.
I'm working on it.
Alright,
Have a seat.
how long till I get home?
We'll figure it out, man.
Fuck. Oh, they're not gonna arrest me for real. Well, what did I say? What did I say to that principal then? What did I say to the principal after
I
getting me
don't
arrested?
know.
Okay,
That
well,
team effort.
I don't care what you've done. Apparently you can't listen. Let's go. Let's go.
I haven't done nothing.
Part of this occupation. Oh. It's against the law right now. Put your hands up here.
Hey, what's it called when you threaten to shoot up a hospital?
Terrorism.
Do what? Use the bathroom real quick.